Most people cook garlic too fast and accidentally remove the very thing that makes garlic powerful. The usual routine is simple. Chop the garlic, then throw it straight into a hot pan without thinking twice. But when garlic hits heat immediately, something important never gets a chance to happen. Inside every garlic clove are two separate ingredients quietly waiting to meet. When garlic is crushed, the cell walls break, and those two ingredients finally touch each other. That meeting starts a natural chemical reaction that creates a powerful compound called allicin. Allicin is responsible for garlic's strong smell, bold flavor, and many of its well-known health benefits. But this reaction does not happen instantly. It needs a few quiet minutes to complete. If garlic goes straight into heat, the reaction stops before allicin can fully form. The solution is surprisingly simple and requires almost no extra effort. First, crush or chop the garlic on your cutting board. Then, leave it alone for 10 minutes so the chemistry can calmly finish its work. After that, cook it normally. The flavor and benefits are already locked in. Same garlic, same recipe. Just 10 minutes of patience makes the difference. Crush, wait 10 minutes, then cook. That's the 10-minute garlic rule.